Hey guys, it's Cody, KFTT Truck and Trailer, here to share with you our new spring sale that's coming to you on our 2-horse Homesteader trailers. Let me show you what we got. Right behind me here we have a sharp silver and a sparkling white, extra tall units to fit your needs. Very outstanding units. As you can see here, we have an extra wide and extra tall tack room for plenty of storage, plenty of space. We'll have saddle racks, blanket racks, a spare tire for you, venting and ventilation, as well as interior and exterior lights. It is a really outstanding feature on this trailer. Coming over to this first escape door here, you'll see that this is an extra tall unit. We have exterior lighting and a nice rail up to step up for your safety. It's got that extra space for your extra large horses, as well as 2 dual flow vents. This is a very versatile unit. We have chest bars that are padded on both sides, as well as butt bars. We have an adjustable and removable center divider here. And again, just to touch base on our padded, we cover the screws, padded walls, and center divider. That's a great safety part that we include on our trailers. Here on each side, we're going to have 2 windows sliding, and we put these safety bars on them to protect your horse and you. As we're coming out here, you'll see this really nice and unique floor. This has a lifetime warranty, 25-year warranty. No mats, no extra work. Just lay your chip down per usual, easy clean out, water and pee penetrant. As well as you'll see that we're coming down here, walking very easily. We have this ramp that has spring assist that is totally and easily accessible, as well as lockable hasps for easy fit ups and loading. You'll see on each side of the trailer we have multiple strong and durable tie points, and the biggest feature that we include on ours is an extra escape door. Why do you need that? If you need to get out for safety or easier access, you got it. And we got that here at KFTT Truck and Trailer. Multiple units available, so come and get you one. I'm Cody with KFTT Truck and Trailer. You guys have a blessed day and a wonderful spring sale.